In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make custom frames in Canva. We're going to walk through this step by step, so you can create any frame shape you want and then drop your photos or graphics right into it. This is perfect for unique layouts, creative collages, or just making your designs stand out. First, open up a Canva design. You can start with any size you like: a social media post, a presentation slide, a flyer, or even a blank custom-sized canvas. Once your design is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main toolbar where you see things like templates, elements, text, and so on. From here, you want to navigate to Apps in the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on Apps. This section is where Canva keeps all the extra tools and integrations that extend what you can do with your design. We're going to use one of those tools to build our custom frame. Now, inside the Apps panel, use the search bar at the top. Type in Frame Maker. When you see the Frame Maker app appear, click on it to open it. This is the tool that lets you design and customize the shape of your frame instead of using the standard preset frames in the Elements tab. Once the Frame Maker app opens, you'll see a simple grid with points or nodes that form a basic shape. This shape is what will become your frame. Now we're going to customize it. To adjust the points on the grid and modify the shape of your frame, just click and drag each point. When you drag a point, you'll see the outline of the shape update in real time. Move the points inward to create curves or angles, pull them outward to make the frame wider or taller, and play around until you start to see the shape you want. This could be something simple like a rounded rectangle, or something more abstract like a wavy or zigzag frame. If you need more control over the shape, you can also add or remove points. To do this, double-click anywhere along the line of the shape. Double-clicking on the line will add a new point right where you clicked. Then you can drag that new point to create more complex curves or sharper corners. This is really useful if you want a very specific custom shape. If you want to remove a point, double-click directly on that existing point. It will disappear and the shape will adjust automatically. Keep doing this, adding and removing points and dragging them into place until you are happy with the overall outline. Take your time here because this is the base of your custom frame. Once you are satisfied with the shape you've created, the next step is to turn it into an actual usable frame. To do that, click the button that says Add to Design. When you click Add to Design, Canva converts your custom shape into a functional frame and drops it right onto your current design canvas. Now you'll see your frame sitting on your design just like any other element. You can resize it by dragging the corners, rotate it, and move it around to place it exactly where you want it in your layout. The important part is that it now behaves like a frame, which means you can put images inside it. From here, you can drag and drop images from your uploads or from Canva's photo library straight into the new frame. To do that, open the Uploads tab on the left if you want to use your own photos, or open the Photos tab if you want to use Canva's images. Then simply click and drag a photo over the frame until you see it snap into place. Release your mouse and the image will automatically clip to the shape of your custom frame. If you need to adjust how the image sits inside the frame, just double-click on the photo. You can then reposition it within the shape, zoom in or out, and line up the subject exactly how you like. When you're done, click outside the frame to set it. You can repeat this process to create multiple custom frames in the same design, each with different shapes, and fill them with different images to create a completely unique layout. That's all you need to make custom frames in Canva using the Frame Maker app. Open your design, go to Apps, search and select Frame Maker, adjust and edit the points on the grid, click Add to Design, and then drag and drop your images into your new custom frame.